Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going over the easiest way to contact Razer customer supports in 2025. Whether you're dealing with hardware issues, software problems, or just need help with your account, knowing how to reach them quickly can save you a lot of time and frustration. The first and the most direct way to help is through Razer's official website. Head to their support page where you can find options like live chat, submitting a support ticket, or browsing helpful FAQs and troubleshooting guides. The live chat is usually the fastest if you want immediate assistance. If you prefer talking to someone, Razer also offer phone support in many regions. You will want to check their website for the right number based on your location, since they have different lines for the US, Europe, and Asia. Calling during a business hour usually gets you connected with a real person quickly. Another popular option is reaching out through social media. Rather's official Twitter and Facebook page are quite responsive, and sometimes you can get a help or answers by sending them a direct message. This is especially useful for less urgent questions or quick info. For registered Razer product owners, the Razer Snaps app also offers a direct support access and warranty status check, make it a handy tool if you're already using their software. Just keep your product details, purchase info, and any error message handy. When contacting support message, that speeds things up a lot. So, whether it's through live chat, phone, social media, or the app, Rather offers several ways to get help you need in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.